Hey guys, it's Yan and it's been a while. A little backstory. When I was in college, I met a group of amazing people, and after countless of planning, our trip finally made it out of the group chat. So buckle up because we're taking you to... but once we were very mindful of the places we want to go. After all, the most important thing is we get to bond. Enjoy!
I walk downtown with the radio.
Hi vlog! Hi vlog!
So we're here. This is our room. Loft type siya. And we're now restocking the fridge. Cute. Na siya cooking utensils. So pwede namin makakook. Naka-laundry. Aircon. Everything is set. Ako lagi ko ni diri ay kompleto sa tanong.
Pila ang kuan diri?
1.6 lang.
1.6?
Pero ako
Yeah, ang tax niya ako to
4. Hindi ako mag-additional ka. 200.
ay nag-arrange na kami lang nag-arrange. Di ba kita Joyce? Nangkako tayo mag-arrange.
Ganun mong gi-arrange.
Kana siya.
Cute kayo.
Yeah. Kani ma-reach or yun. Highlight na ito. Ang highlight na mo. Chan-churan!
Lagi siguro, Jude.
Sand. Here at Dahilayan. Our first activity today is we're gonna go get some real breakfast. Because some breakfast kanina is like egg sandwich. Because we're staying in Manolo, and this is 40 minutes ride from Manolo. Guys, this is Dahilayan. There's like a lot of people coming here na because it's long weekend. Excited for our first day. Huh?
Inside sa Alpine.
So mag-hike pa ta? Layo? So mag-walk rami padulong sa Cafe Salzburg.
Mag-cafe ba ta?
Breakfast ta day. Jay, how are you? How's your sleep?
Nakamata mo, wala 5.
Ano guys, ang Bukidnon. This is the official day 1 in Bukidnon. Yeah. Ano? Mo park near sa Dahilayan entrance para mas dool inyong hike-on. Kaya kung doon sa ubos, oh my gosh, taas kayo mag-hike-on. Pero tayo, kung anong 200 imo nga to? Ay, kang Maggie. We're now here at Cafe Salzburg. This is like a part of Dahilayan. This is the Alpine Park, Alpine Forest. So this is the Cafe Salzburg, and we're gonna eat there because we haven't had our proper meal. This is MJ.
All girls. Sa lens, day.
Another pa.
1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2,
If ever na mo yung green ticket from Alpine, wala na mumusulod sa Dahilayan Adventure Park. TikTok na po. Ay, daw day. Ang daw ba ang TikTok, be?
Muna to siya.
Mga ginawa, ha?
Wow, cute.
Balik pa.
Ano yung siya po doon? Music ni OMG. We're here. Have to pay 70 pesos per person. This is it. Hi guys, so we're finally here at Impasug-ong, and medyo nagpapahinga lang ako kasi nahilo ako sa biyahe. Kasi yung papunta dito is yung way, yung road is like zigzaggy. Over si Dam Joyce.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Dara behind the scenes.
Asaman?
Mga models of Vogue.
Si Marian. Makita siya, makita. Project.
Naman na siya mga director. Ay, ka na isa sa itong mga kuyog, babe.
14K bang ba? Uy, okay na namin.
Ayaw, giganahan ko.
Tapos na storya po.
Kanang, kuhan na guys. Ang kak. Okay ba sa ko ingon? Hiyak ba ko day?
There's a lake. Hi girls. Hello guys. So one tip for you to have good photos is to bring this. To bring a reflector. So this is from Shopee. I got it for 200 pesos only, and it elevates every photo. Reflector. Night reflector. It really makes a difference. So, yep. Here's the view. It's nice guy here, Jude. Guy, you can really see the mountains. Untouched pa siya. I hope it remains that way.
Pero sa schedule natin huli yun.
So, okay, there are a lot of tourists because the first time we went here, I think it was like last year ba yun? Or last year. Gamay na kay tao. And then the way like very lapok or muddy. But now I think the government's like making way for the like ayahang road kay mas decent. You know what I mean? So yeah, really happy to be here again. What do you got? Same thing. AirBNB. There's a second floor. here at Transfiguration of the Lord Church. So we can't go inside now because the mass have started. We don't plan attending the mass anyway. We're just gonna light some candles, say our prayers, and then we're gonna go. But yeah, this is the place, and it's so big. The church has really great architectures. I really like it. It's like a pyramid. So you leave your slippers there.
Cute siya. Dili. Sabog-sabog ka yun ta.
Hello! Yaka!
Yaka.
Check!
Downstairs and then there na lang may nag-order. Haha. MG!
Ay mo na yung Yaka Pride. Or 3. Wait lang ha. Ay, mas real na ilaha. Real. Kaya tagpag sa